landscape? Dive into this fascinating world where less is indeed more. Let's start by understanding the fundamental differences between large language models, or LLMs, and small language models, or SLMs. LLMs, with their vast number of parameters, are resource-intensive and have a broad range of applications. SLMs, however, are designed for specific use cases, are lighter, and can operate on smaller systems. Small language models are addressing the resource challenges associated with LLMs. They are opening up opportunities for startups and small businesses to develop and deploy language models. These smaller models with simpler architectures are more explainable and can be trained with smaller datasets. But what makes them truly special is their ability to process data locally. This makes them an ideal choice for IoT edge devices and businesses that prioritize strict privacy and security policies. Take, for example, Microsoft's Phi 2, announced on the 12th of December, 2023. This 2.7 billion parameter language model is designed for natural language encoding. Phi 2, along with other SLMs developed by major tech companies, can match or even outperform models 25 times larger. However, it's important to remember that SLMs come with their own set of trade-offs. Their knowledge bases are more limited than their larger counterparts, which can lead to potentially less accurate or nuanced responses. There are many SLMs available, each catering to specific resource constraints and use cases. From Google's Gemini Nano family designed for smaller devices like smartphones, to Microsoft's Phi 2, the landscape of SLMs is diverse and vibrant. Microsoft's approach to scaling SLM capabilities involves using a mixed dataset that includes synthetic datasets and carefully selected web data. Phi 2 underwent training on 96 NVIDIA A100 GPUs for 14 days, utilizing 1.4 trillion tokens from multiple passes on synthetic and web datasets. The potential of SLMs is immense, especially in scenarios where locally running efficient models with specific purposes are desired. Microsoft's Phi 2 is a shining example of a compact yet powerful SLM, offering researchers a platform for exploration and experimentation. The increasing positive feedback suggests that smaller models, capable of running on consumer hardware, are anticipated to play a significant role in the future of AI and LLMs. So it seems clear that the future of AI is not just about bigger and better. Sometimes it's about being small and efficient.